5 Best Jigsaw 2021. Top 1. Festool 561,593 Carvex PS420 EBQ Jigsaw. Variable speed blade speed with extremely fast max 3,800 strokes per minute. Cutting depth in wood, 4-3, 4 inches, 120 millimeters. Cutting depth in steel, soft, 3, 8 inches, 10 millimeters. Cutting depth in NF metals, 3, 4 inches, 20 millimeters. Tool-free base and base insert platform for expanded capabilities. Triple blade guidance for perfectly perpendicular cuts and splinter guards for tear-free cuts. Top 2. CRAFTSMAN Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 7-tool, Jigsaw. This CRAFTSMAN V20 Lithium 7-tool combo kit provides the tools, batteries, charger, and accessories needed to get any job done. Part of the V20 cordless system. Variable speed trigger ranging from 0 to 500 SPMs provides control for clean and accurate cuts. Top 3. Bosch 7561-118 Orbital Action Pneumatic Jigsaw W, tool-free blade change. Air supply 90 psi, air consumption 27.5 cfm, stroke length 1 inch, tool-free blade change system, for fast and easy blade change. 4-stage orbital action adjusts blade motion, to match workpiece and cutting task, paddle style on-off switch, adjustable steel footplate, retracts and tilts left and right up to 45 degrees in both directions. Top 4. Bosch JS 572 EB 120-volt barrel grip jigsaw with L-BOXX 2. Ergonomic body with upfront soft grip area, smallest barrel grip diameter in the market, variable speed dial and accelerator trigger, precision control 2, unsurpassed cutting accuracy with switchable LED, lighting and 4 orbital action settings, adjustable dust blower, L-BOXX case, new line of cases stack and latch together for easy transport. Top 5. DEWALT DC 330B 18-volt cordless jigsaw with keyless blade change. All metal lever action keyless blade change allows for quick and easy blade changes. All metal keyless shoe bevel with detents at 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree and 45 degree provides versatility for easy bevel cutting. 4-position orbital action provides control of cut quality and speed. Adjustable dust blower, anti-slip comfort grip, variable speed. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.